A customer asked us how they can isolate a variety of signals from 1.5 to 24 volts when they don't know what type of signal will be connected. Passive input isolators and self-biased transistors provide a simple solution. Unlike other isolators, the input can be almost any voltage, and they don't need an input side power supply. Let's head into the lab to test the idea. We replaced the resistor on an IL610 evaluation board with a self-biasing transistor. There are links to this board in the description. If you know the input voltage, you can use an input resistor, but these self-biasing transistors allow anything up to 50 volts. First, we'll test a 1.5 volt signal. The LED turns on, indicating the isolator switched. Next, we'll try a power supply, which maxes out at 31 volts. That works too. And it keeps working, down to a few tenths of a volt. So the DC behavior is exactly what we need. The self-biasing transistors are a good complement to passive input isolators, but they don't have detailed speed specs. Are they fast enough for digital logic? Let's find out. We breadboarded a CMOS out passive input isolator and self-biased transistor. The input is the top trace, the yellow trace, and the output is the bottom trace, the blue trace. The part's output supply range is 3 to 6.5 volts. We're using 5 volts. The propagation delay is only 13 nanoseconds with the current regulator, so the self-biasing transistor doesn't significantly affect the speed. It's still 1,000 times faster than a typical optocoupler. These IL600 series passive input isolators work with virtually any input voltage. No input supply is needed. There are open drain and CMOS versions. They're true failsafe with default high or default low versions. And they're 1,000 times faster than optocouplers. Click email or call for more information or to order eval boards or parts. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates.